What's up, beautiful people? Now, real quick, guys, you see this app you're seeing on my screen right now? Yes, this app. Of course, you are right. It's WhatsApp. So I am going to show you in today's video how I make extra 100,000 naira every single month using this platform called WhatsApp. Right now, the crazy part of this is that the method I'm going to show us in today's video, you do not require any capital for you to get started. And when I say you don't require any capital, I mean you don't need any money to get started. You don't need to bring two persons that will end up bringing two persons that will go ahead and get extra two persons before you can start any money using this method I'm about to show us in today's video. Now, when I say you don't need any money, it means that anybody can actually do this, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, whether you're a student, or you have a 9-to-5 job that you're doing. The only thing you need is your smartphone and internet access. And that's all. So the only thing I need for you in today's video is to go ahead and click the like button in exchange of the value you are going to get in today's video. And if you're here to join this beautiful family, I personally want you to do so by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and click on the subscription button and turn on the bell notification. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. Now, with all this being said and done, let's jump straight into the video. So first thing first, I am going to list two ways that I use to make the money on WhatsApp. Yes, two good ways I make money on WhatsApp. I make use of WhatsApp status method, and the second method is WhatsApp group method. All right, so I'm going to be explaining the two methods, right? Yes, so if you have gotten to this point, go ahead and click the like button and let's proceed. Now, most of you are making use of WhatsApp status, but what you do on your WhatsApp status is posting comedy, right? Videos, music, promoting people's songs without even getting paid. So what if I tell you that there is a way you can be able to change that thing you are posting on WhatsApp status without getting paid into what you are going to be posting, and then you end up making money for yourself every single month. So I've done this, all right, and I've seen results, and that is why I'm bringing it to you, so you can take the same step that I took and get the same result that I got. All right, so we are going to be posting something on our WhatsApp status. All right, so I'm going to talk about the first method, which is WhatsApp status method, before I can now go to the WhatsApp group method. All right, so we are going to be posting something on our WhatsApp group, and that thing that we're going to be posting on our WhatsApp group is going to be making us money. Now, mind you, it's not going to be comedy, it's not going to be skits, it's not going to be someone's song that we're going to be promoting for free. But this time around, what we are going to be posting on our WhatsApp status is going to be products. Yes, is the product going to be ours? No. I know you what you have in mind is that I said you don't need any capital, you don't need any money to get started, right? But what are we doing with product? Where am I going to get the product? Is it not money that I'm going to use to get the product? Well, relax, I'm going to explain. We are going to be posting products, but the products we are going to be posting on our WhatsApp status is not going to be our products. It is going to be someone else's. All right, yes. So, and the next question you are going to be asking is, so if it is someone else's product, how am I going to be getting it? Right? So what you are going to do is you are going to be getting someone's product. The product we are going to be getting is fairly used product. Yes, me that is shooting this video right now, I have a whole lot of used items that I want to sell. Yes, so if you're watching this video, look around you, you are definitely going to have some certain products that you're no longer using, like shoes, clothes, phones, power banks that you don't make use of, that you can start posting on your WhatsApp status, and then people will be able to reach out to you, and then probably you are going to make that sale. You're definitely going to make the sale, not probably. All right, so if you don't have anything to sell, what you are going to do is I'm going to list, let me say, 3 places you can be able to go to source products. All right, now the first place is within you. All right, it could be within your neighbor. Just ask your neighbor. If you're a student, ask your classmates, your hostel roommates. All right, if you are a 9-to-5 worker, you can ask your colleagues at work if they have anything they want to sell. Most of them will surely have some used items that they really want to sell, so you just go to reach an agreement with them. All right, so let's say either your classmate or your co-worker, if you're a stay-at-home, or maybe your neighbor, they have something they want to sell, probably this phone. All right, so just ask them, if I should sell this phone for you, how much are you going to give me for commission for selling this particular phone? So your colleague at work, your neighbor, your classmate might say, okay, if you're going to sell this phone for 50,000 naira, I am going to give you 5,000 naira commission. All right, so when you are going to be posting this phone, I'm using this phone for example. When you're going to be posting this phone on your WhatsApp status, you are not going to be posting that 50,000 naira exactly. All right, you're going to be posting, let's say, 57,250. Just make it look somehow, okay, make it look weird. All right, so we're going to be posting 57,250. The reason why I said you should make it 57,250 is that, of course, this is a fairly used, right? And then when you post something that has been used already on your WhatsApp status and people wants to buy it, they don't buy the amount you tagged that particular product. They are going to negotiate. Okay, yes, they are going to definitely negotiate. So if they are going to negotiate, they will not negotiate more than or below the 50,000 naira. Okay, so they might maybe probably come down to 55 or 52 or 53,000. Of course, you are still going to get something at the end, okay, aside the agreed commission between you and the actual seller, right? So once the person lies the phone, because the description you are going to be using when you are posting the product on your WhatsApp status is that you are going to be, if there's anything wrong with this particular phone, maybe it has a screen problem, maybe the back is scratched, or just, you know, the problem they are having, make sure you narrate the problem in the video, in the description when you're posting the picture of the product. All right, so as well as the price tag. The mistake you are going to do is, if you are posting any particular product on your WhatsApp status and then you will be writing DM for price, just state the price there on the description. All right, if the product is having any issue, just make sure everything contains in the description, so anybody that is coming into your DM is coming in to do two things: one, to bargain, negotiate, and then finally make payment to buy that particular product. All right, so the person is not going to come and be asking you another question, because everything about that product is listed in the description. All right, so what you are going to do is make sure you take a clean picture of that particular product. Relax, I'm going to be listing hot selling product for you. Okay, yes, it's not that you cannot post any other product and sell it, but there are hot selling products. All right, so what you are going to do is to take a clean picture of that particular product. If you have artificial lights, okay, you can stay in your room and take the pictures of the product. All right, but then if you don't have any artificial lights, you can make use of natural lights. Okay, just come out in the day around 9, 10, 11 a.m. all right, to make use of the natural light. Take a good picture of that product. Warning: do not go online to download already made pictures. So let's say this phone is iPhone, all right, iPhone 16 or iPhone whatever. Don't go and download the picture in the internet. Okay, make sure you snap the picture of that product as the product is. Okay, so that is what you are going to be doing. Now, the next place you are going to be sourcing products aside the people within you is that you need to go to actual market. Yes, go to actual market. So go to the product you want to showcase on your WhatsApp status, meet the people selling it, okay, in the market. Yes, so tell them that, what if I should promote this particular product and sell it? How much are you going to give me as commission? So you are going to reach agreement with these persons. If they are okay, if both of you agree on a particular thing and you are okay, just go ahead and take a picture of the products that you want to be posting on your status. So that is the second way you can be able to get or source product to post on your WhatsApp status. Now, in case you are kind of person that don't like associating with people, all right, maybe you are introvert, okay, so you don't like associating with people, I have a bonus tip for you. There is this platform called Jiji. Yes, I'm going to leave it on the screen so you see. So Jiji is a platform that is being known for selling fairly used items. Do not get me wrong, Jiji still sell new products, okay, they sell new products, but it's been known for selling fairly used items. So what I want you to do is to visit that platform called Jiji. So once you visit Jiji, if you are staying in Lagos, you are staying in Port Harcourt, Abuja, Enugu, okay, just list or change your location to your state. Okay, once you change it to the state, Jiji will even ask you or enable you to change your local government to the local government you are staying, so that the product you are going to be seeing on Jiji is going to be product that is within, all right, within your locality, right? Yes, so that is where you are going to be getting or sourcing product. Now, the contact of the people selling this product on Jiji, it is already there. Okay, the description of that particular product is already there. If the product has any issue, that is if you are dealing with fairly used, all right, if the product has issue, it is going to also be contained in the description on Jiji. All right, so if it is new product, the description also is going to be there. So what you are going to be doing is just to copy and paste. The pictures are there. The real picture of that particular product is there, not like already made a picture from internet. All right, the pictures is there. So what you need to do is download the picture. If it is phone, anything, the product you want to, I'm still going to list the hot selling product, but relax. Okay, so download the pictures that is there on Jiji already, copy the description, go ahead and post it on your WhatsApp status. So on Jiji, you are going to see the price tag there. So if the person is selling for, let's say, 7,000, 10,000, make sure you add extra money there. Okay, so once the person likes the product you post on your WhatsApp status and sends money to you, contact the actual seller and then get it and forward it to your, let's say, prospect or your client. But you know what I'm saying. If you have got to this point, go ahead and click the like button in exchange of the value you are getting in today's video. And if you're yet up until now, join this beautiful family, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and smash that subscription button and turn on the bell notification. Now let's continue with the video. So Jiji is another place you can be able to source products and then post it without even talking to anybody, right? Yes. So the next step is how another way you can actually make money on your WhatsApp aside status. So what you are going to do is to create a WhatsApp group. Yes, create a WhatsApp group. You can name it, if you're staying in Lagos, you can name it Lagos Buy and Sell. Okay, if you're staying in Abuja, name it Abuja Buy and Sell. If you're staying in Enugu, name it Enugu Buy and Sell. If you're staying in Port Harcourt, just be creative around that. Okay, so create a WhatsApp group and then start advertising it. Post the WhatsApp link to other groups you are in. You can still do that on Facebook. There are too many Facebook groups that you can still share your links there. Anybody that would want to buy fairly used items, they could join the group. Okay, so the same thing you did on your WhatsApp status, that the same thing you are going to also do on the WhatsApp group. Okay, so the setting you are going to do in the WhatsApp group is that you are going to set the WhatsApp group in a way that it is only going to be admin that will be posting something there. All right, yes, so it's only admin that is going to be posting. So anything you post and someone likes it, the person can direct message you and then you will finalize the business and make a sale. All right, so that is it. So I'm going to move down to the hot selling product that you are going to be selling. Okay, so I'm not saying that other product cannot sell fast, all right, but these are proven product that I know that I've been doing or I've been selling that is going fast. All right, so the number one is phones. Yes, smartphone sells very fast. Two is power bank sells very fast. Baby items, all right, baby kits sells very fast. And then you can as well sell clothes. Okay, but then power bank, smartphone, baby items, you can as well do cosmetics. Yes, so these are the hot selling products. All right, so guys, this is what I have for us in today's video. If you have gotten to this point, you're doing well. Click the like button. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscription button and turn on the bell notification. What the bell notification does is always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you watch. So I want to thank you for staying to the end of this video, and I really appreciate it. Now, in case you're looking for more ways you can be able to earn money for yourself, all right, or more ways you can be able to make money without even spending any money, without even calling two persons that will bring two persons that will end up bringing extra two persons before you can start earning. You see this video you're seeing on the screen right now? Yes, this video on the screen. Go ahead and click on the video and I'm going to see you on the other side. Keep winning as always. Keep winning and always remember that Leo loves you. When I'm going to see you on the other video. Bye for now.